Today we're going to be making eggplant stir fry. Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make it, so can you, because it's Eatsy. The first step will be to slice your eggplants into what looks like fat French fries, basically. We'll let the eggplant sit in a pot of water with just a pinch of salt in it. Apart from the eggplants themselves, we're only going to need about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, half of a red bell pepper, sliced jalapeno pepper, about 1/4 of a sweet onion. We're also going to use soy sauce, black vinegar, and oyster flavored sauce. Into 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, we'll add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of black vinegar. Into the bowl of liquids, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of corn starch and all of the garlic. Stir it up thoroughly. Now you're going to want to steam your eggplant. We had a large tiered steaming pot that we used, but you could probably also use a rice cooker or a similar other appliance that has a vegetable steam setting. You'll want to steam them for about 5 to 10 minutes, or until the eggplant loses its purple color and turns more of a transparent brown. If in doubt, take them out of the steamer a little sooner, because if you leave them in too long, they'll disintegrate when you try to incorporate them into the rest of the stir fry. And nobody wants disintegrated eggplant. Next, we're going to add some oil to a pan over medium to high heat and put in our onions first. After you stir the onions around for a little bit, this next thing here that Uncle Fred is tossing in is an optional ground up Sichuan peppers. You don't have to add that if you don't want to. Next, toss in your jalapeno and red bell peppers. You'll want to heat all of those up until the onions turn a little bit translucent and the peppers start turning a little bit soft. Then we can add in the steamed eggplant. And this is the shot that we managed to get of Uncle Fred adding in the sauce that we had made previously. It's like literally 0.5 seconds long, so I'll just repeat it a couple times for you. And here we're tossing in another blurb of some dark soy sauce. It's about another teaspoon, just to add some color. Stir all that together just to get the color incorporated over all the vegetables. And there we have it, stir-fried eggplant. Here we've plated it as a complete meal alongside our bean sprout cold noodle salad and our Chinese fish, along with bowls of rice. Let us know if you've tried any of these recipes down in the comments and how they turned out for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and give a like if you want to.